let us consider a string str hello world, and we are using for loop and a condition, if condition. Now here we are using the string hello world. So using this for loop we will check every character whether it is a vowel or not. So in this for loop, whenever enter the for loop, so the first character is H. So now this if condition will convert, a dot lower will convert this into small h, and it will check whether it is present in this list, that is small a, whether it is h is small a, small e, small I, small o, smaller, whether it is present in this list or not. So it is not present, so it comes out of the condition. Again the next one is e. So now e dot lower is nothing but simply it is small e only. Now this is the vowel. So like that L dot lower is L, that is not. Again L, that is also not, and O. So here O dot lower function means O only, and this is vowel. Next coming to W. So W means it will convert it as small w, a dot lower will convert into small w. Now this is not present in this list, so it is not a vowel. Again O, and remaining R is not a vowel, L is not a vowel, and D is not a vowel. It's converted into, this is the vowel. So here the count will be executed 3 times, so the count value will be 3. So the output will be 3. So I am using a dot lower function because instead of using all these characters in the list, I am just simply converting the character into the lower case and checking in this. You can also use upper function here, and you can use these characters. So if you consider the lower case, you should use these characters to check whether it is a vowel or not, or you can use this total, but for simplification and optimized one I have taken this list and used lower function. You can use upper function and you can take this all this in the upper case. So this is how to count the number of vowels in a string. In this video I am going to explain the Python program to find the number of vowels in the given string. So for example, if you take any string, so in that string you will have some uppercase letters and some lowercase letters. So instead of checking all the uppercase and lowercase vowels, we should convert the given total string into the lowercase. I will use every character in the string into the lowercase, and I will check whether the character is present in the small a, small e, small I, small o, small u. So instead of using all a, e, I, o, u in uppercase and lowercase, I am just converting the character of a string as the lower one and checking it in smaller case a, e, I, o, u. So here initially I have taken the string using the input function and have considered the count as 0. So I will use the count for counting the number of vowels present in the given string. So here I am using the for loop to check every character in the string. So every character will be considered in A. So here I am considering a dot lower function because, for example, if you have like NAME name and N is capital, so a dot lower will consider capital N as small n and it will check in the list AEIOU. So if it is present, the count will be increased. So like that every character will be converted into lower ones. So it will consider a dot lower will be considered as the lowercase character. Either it may be uppercase or lowercase in the given string, but it will consider it as the lowercase one and check it in the given list. If it is present, then it will increase the count value. So you can get the number of vowels present in the given string. So and at the finally I am printing the number of vowels present in the given string. Here I am using the f string literal to print the value. So let us give the input. In the input I am giving sp learn to explore. So now we have to count the number of vowels present in the given string. So the number of vowels is 6. So I have gave capital S, sp learn to explore. So a dot lower will consider it as small s and will check in the list a, e, I, o, u. So it is not present. Then it will not take into consideration as vowel. So all characters will be considered into lowercase and will be checked in the given list and it will increase the count value. So here you are considering sp learn to explore as the string. So the first vowel is small e, 1, and the next it is a, which is 2, and again you have o, that is 3, and next e, 4. If you give capital also, it will consider as the vowel because it is converting it as the lower function. So here we have 6 number of vowels in the given string.